the girl who is always cold. I'm just gonna start by prepping my face with the Innisfree Aloe Revival Skin Mist. I don't think it does anything in particular, but I just kinda like how it feels on my face.
Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you.
Next, I'm gonna be using my InstaNatural Vitamin C Serum. I've been using this for a couple of months now and I actually really like it. It has hyaluronic acid, which helps to brighten up the skin, and I can actually see myself looking less tired using it every morning. Now I'm going to be applying my No Sebum Primer, which is going to help blur out the pores and mattify my T-zone. For today's look, I want a more dewy finish, so I'm going to be using my Laneige BB cushion, and this is the whitening version. Here I'm using a blending sponge because my cushion puff broke into pieces.
But you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull back.
My current favorite concealer is this MAC 24 Hours Liquid Concealer. It does a great job for covering dark circles. So this tutorial is kind of inspired by Chloe Moriondo. I absolutely love her voice and I think that her makeup is super cute because she always looks like she's about to sneeze.
You've lost, but I don't feel I have won. I wanna forget you.
After setting my face with my Too Faced translucent powder, I'm just gonna put on some lip balm because my lips are always chapped.
But only time will heal.
This is my holy grail eyebrow product. It is the K Palette One Day Tattoo Lasting 2-Way Eyebrow Liquid and Powder. This is really my favorite go-to everyday eyebrow product, simply because it gives such precision and the color is light enough for me to build. Today I'm using the shade 04.
Too late to erase the bad we've done. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight.
The powdered part allows me to blend out my lines so my brows look a lot more natural. It also helps them stay throughout the entire day.
Swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you. But you pull.
I usually finish up my brows by brushing it out with a spoolie. For my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using a few shades from this mini Tarte palette Tease.
It looks like snow when it falls in the wind, you know. And you, oh, you say you wanna dance. You're worried, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun.
Taking the shade Heartbreaker, I use it to contour my nose and accentuate the hollows of my eyes.
Why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun.
For this look, we want a clean black wing that's not too dramatic. Don't worry if you're like me and not too good with the eyeliner. I'll show you how to fix that. This is the cheat method I always use to touch up my uneven eyeliner. Taking an angled brush, I press a dark colored eyeshadow into the line that I've just drawn. The shape of the angled brush also makes it a lot easier to clean up the wing. Curl your lashes and put on a volumous mascara. Make sure to get every single lash coated. Now for the fun and main part of this look. Taking my iMimi Multi-Stick in Luster Coral, we're gonna build the blush all over the cheeks and nose.
I swear I've seen you before, holding your shoes in your hands, running.
We're just gonna keep packing it on until we look fever flushed.
And you got nothing, but you say you wanna dance, and you're worrying,
I'm recently really into this MAC Stroke cream. It highlights the face so beautifully with a dewy finish.
I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. This booze, this cigarette's trying to take me home.
Using my Etude House Matte Chic Lip Lacquer in the shade Too Much Orange, I'm just gonna apply this to the inner parts of my lips and spread it out using my finger.
She's cold as December.
To give a little more definition, I tinted the inner parts of my lips with a darker red.
Cold as December.
And that's it! Snuggle yourself up in a warm hoodie and this look is done. Thank you for watching and do subscribe if you like this video.
It looks like snow.
Bye now!